Hello everyone, WebP Image Optimizer app helps users to optimize and get lighter image without losing the quality. User can enable an WebP compressor checkbox and set an quality of the WebP image. It will convert all the existing image like PNG, JPEG, GIF animation into an WebP format and also reduces its size. Now let's see how it actually works. After installing this module, you can see and before reducing image size and type. So for that we need to get into the website, and let's build the website by getting into the website. From here we can choose an edit option to edit the website. Here we can add an image. Now let's save this one. Now we can see and quality of the image by getting into the inspect option where you can see the network. Okay, now let's refresh this page, and here you can see these three are the images that you can see in here. Okay, there are three images where you can see the type as JPEG and also the size will be an 100 kbs. Okay, above 100 kbs. Now let's compress this. So for that we need to do some configuration. So let's get into the website. So here in this website page we need to get into the websites under the configurations. So let's get into the website where you can see an option to enable WebP compress. Okay, so if user gives an above 100, okay, if user tries to save this one, user will get a warning message like this that you cannot set in quality more than the 100%. So let it be, let's save that quality as 90 for example. Let's save this one. Okay, now let's get into the website that we have built. So here we need to delete the one which we have already added, and let's add in another one. So this image will be an compressed one. To check that we need to get into the inspect. Okay, now under network let's refresh this page where you can see these three are the images, okay, which are already compressed, and you can see the type will be and WebP and also it will be size will be reduced. So in this way we can make use of this module to optimize and get a lighter image without losing the quality. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.